Hotels iLUNION never disappoints. This is one of the best wheelchair accessible hotels ever. This is the first time I am in iLUNION San Mamés Bilbao. Highly recommended. And if you are a football fan, the Athletic Bilbao Stadium is just stone throw away. Parking for the hotel is located at Parking Intermodal, 15 euro per 24 hours. Huge car park, plenty of wheelchair accessible parking spaces around, and private door access to the hotel. You have to tap the key to get in, so you need to check in first. Might be tricky to get to the hotel from this huge car park. Depends where you park. Number
317.
317. And this is cool. The lights are turning on in front of us and turning off behind, like in a horror movie. Automatic. Excellent. It's supposed to be adjustable up and down, but it seems to be broken, or I don't have enough strength to pull it down or up. This chair is super comfortable, super safe. It's not like the most of the shower chairs in most of the hotels. Small, narrow, hard, unsafe, uncomfortable. This one is like a king throne. That's from the pinchos. I didn't eat carefully. Bye. Something new. So you can rise your head up, you can rise your legs up. And what is the last one? You rise both sides. Curtains. Which one is this one? Come on. Buenos dias, checking out. Yeah. Just one question out of curiosity. Do you know how many wheelchair accessible rooms hotel has? Do you know how many wheelchair accessible rooms?
We have 313, 311, 413 and 411. So it's total 4.
I have another question.
Thanks.
It's also curiosity because none of the
4 rooms.